It's 2:07 a.m. A tiny alert pings on my phone. Just one failed login, then 50. That's not random. That's a storm. I roll out of bed, open my laptop, and dive into the dashboard. This is how monitoring and incident response really feels. Fast, focused, and a little scary. First, monitoring. Think of it like security cameras for everything. Cloud endpoints, network identities. I've got a SIEM pulling logs from firewalls, EDR on laptops, and servers alerts tuned, so I hear the signal, not the noise. Key metrics, on top. MTTD, mean time to detect. MTTR, mean time to respond. Lower is life. The pattern pops. A phishing email slipped through, one user clicked, and now there's a suspicious token refresh plus a sudden spike in outbound traffic from a single machine. I triage. Is it real? Is it urgent? Is it mine? Yes, yes, and yes. I crack open the playbook. Step 1. Contain. I isolate the endpoint in the EDR. No more talking to the internet. I revoke tokens in the IDP force, logouts, and flip a conditional access policy to block risky sign-ins. I add a firewall rule to sinkhole the known C2 domain. The bleeding stops. Step 2. Eradicate. I pull volatile memory collect process trees, hash any suspicious binaries, and check them against threat intel. I find a malicious PowerShell script dropped in a temp folder, classic living off the land. I quarantine it, purge scheduled tasks, rotate credentials, and patch the vulnerable plugin that let the phish escalate. Step 3. Recover. I re-image the machine from a gold image, restore data from clean backups, re-enable network, and watch the telemetry like a hawk. No callbacks. No anomalies. Green lights. But response doesn't end when the fire's out. Post-incident review time. I map everything to the kill chain. Recon. Delivery execution. Persistent C2. Actions on objectives. Where did we detect? Where did we miss? iTune detections. New SIEM rule for abnormal token refresh, EDR watch for suspicious PowerShell flags, and a UEBA threshold for odd data egress. MTTD drops. I harden controls. Enforce phishing-resistant MFA for admins. Least privilege. No standing global rights. Just-in-time access and session recording. Email security. DMARC. Sandboxing. Link rewriting. Patch cadence tightened with auto rollback. Offline. Immutable backups. Tabletop drills every quarter. Incident commander. Communications. Legal. PR. Forensics. And the human layer. I turn the fish into a teachable moment, SIM phishing bite-sized training, and a one-click report fish button. Because monitoring is sensors, but response is people. If you're building this from scratch, start small. Centralize logs in a SIEM. Deploy EDR and actually enable isolation. Define a 2-page incident playbook. Contain. Eradicate. Recover. Report. Measure MTTD, MTTR weekly. Drill. Then drill again. Back to 2:07 a.m., what turned a breach into a non-event wasn't magic. It was preparation, visibility, and decisive action. Keep your eyes on the dashboards, your playbooks ready, and your team sharp. The next alert is coming. Be the one who answers first.